Why do I need a lawyer to close my mortgage? That's one of the most frequently asked questions of me as a mortgage broker. I am Rudy Lochan, and you're watching the YouTube channel of Anava Financing. There are many reasons why you need a lawyer for mortgage transactions. The three main reasons are: 1. A lawyer is authorized to create legally binding mortgage documents. Number 2. A lawyer is authorized to do land title transfers. Thirdly, and very importantly, the lawyer is authorized to hold money in his trust accounts. These funds will be disbursed to the relevant parties in a mortgage transaction. That's why it's important to have the right lawyer. We can refer you to credible, experienced lawyers. Also, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions on real estate or mortgage, please enter it in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can provide you with more informative videos like this one.